Yo, what's up everyone? It's Isra and we're diving deep into the world of crypto, but with a twist. We're talking AI tokens, the intersection of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. It's a wild world out there with projects promising everything from decentralized machine learning to AI-powered marketplaces. But let's be real for a second, the crypto space is known for its hype cycles and speculative bubbles. So, we gotta ask the tough questions. Are these AI tokens just riding the latest wave, or do they hold real tangible value? That's what we're gonna unpack today. We'll be diving into some of the biggest players in the AI token space, breaking down their tech, their potential, and of course the risks involved. So if you're ready to explore the future of AI and crypto, buckle up. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency are two of the most disruptive technologies of our time. Now, they're converging through AI tokens, cryptocurrencies designed to power AI-driven projects, decentralized machine learning, and data marketplaces. But are these tokens truly valuable or just another speculative trend? Let's break it down for investors. First up, we have Render, or RNDR. Now, if you're into 3D modeling, animation, or anything that requires heavy-duty rendering power, you know how resource-intensive it can be. That's where Render comes in. They're building a decentralized network of GPUs, allowing users to tap into that power without needing their own expensive hardware. Think of it like this: you need to render a complex 3D scene for your latest animation project. Instead of maxing out your own computer or waiting days for it to finish, you can use RNDR tokens to access Render's network of GPUs. This speeds up the process significantly, and because it's decentralized, it's potentially more affordable and accessible than traditional rendering farms. But it's not just about rendering. Render's tech has implications for AI development too. Training AI models, especially for things like image recognition or natural language processing, requires massive computational power. Render's network could provide a more cost-effective and efficient way to handle these tasks, potentially democratizing AI development in the process. Next up is Fetch.ai, a platform that's all about creating autonomous AI agents that can interact and transact with each other. Imagine a world where you have AI agents negotiating the best deals for you, booking your travel arrangements, or even managing your investments, all without your direct involvement. That's the vision behind Fetch.ai. The key here is their use of autonomous economic agents, essentially AI programs that can act on your behalf in a decentralized and secure way. These agents use the Effect token to access the Fetch.ai network, pay for services, and even earn rewards for completing tasks. It's like giving AI the power to participate in the economy, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Now, the potential applications for this technology are pretty mind-blowing. We're talking about everything from supply chain optimization and logistics to personalized healthcare and even smart cities. If Fetch.ai can deliver on its promises, we could be looking at a future where AI agents are handling a significant chunk of our daily tasks and interactions. Chapter 3. BitandSaw TAO, your AI model's side hustle. Okay, let's talk BitandSaw, a platform that's taking a unique approach to decentralized AI. It's essentially a peer-to-peer marketplace where anyone can contribute their computing power to train AI models and get rewarded in TAO tokens. Imagine a network where your computer could be earning you crypto while you sleep, just by contributing its idle processing power to train AI algorithms. That's the basic idea behind BitandSaw. It's like mining, but instead of solving complex mathematical problems, you're helping to improve AI models. But here's where it gets really interesting. BitandSaw isn't just about pooling computing resources. It's about creating a decentralized and collaborative AI ecosystem. Developers can access this network to train their AI models more efficiently and affordably, while individuals can earn rewards for contributing to the advancement of artificial intelligence. Chapter 4. Akash Network, AKT, the Airbnb of cloud computing powered by AI. Moving on to Akash Network, a project that's tackling the cloud computing space head-on, but instead of relying on centralized providers like Amazon or Google, Akash is building a decentralized marketplace for cloud resources, powered by its native AKT token. Think of it like Airbnb, but for cloud computing. Anyone with spare computing power can become a provider on the Akash network, renting out their resources to developers and businesses that need them. This creates a more competitive and potentially more affordable cloud computing landscape, especially for AI applications that require significant processing power. And because it's built on a blockchain, Akash offers enhanced security and transparency compared to traditional cloud providers. This is especially crucial for sensitive AI applications where data privacy and security are paramount. Chapter 5: Ocean Protocol, Ocean, Unlocking the Value of Data with AI. Last but not least, we have Ocean Protocol, a project that's all about democratizing access to data for AI development. Now, we all know that data is the lifeblood of AI. The more data you have, the better you can train your AI models. But accessing high-quality data can be expensive and challenging, especially for smaller players. That's where Ocean Protocol comes in. It's creating a decentralized data marketplace where data providers can connect with data consumers directly using Ocean tokens to facilitate secure and transparent transactions. This opens up a world of possibilities for AI developers, giving them access to a wider range of data sets to train their models and develop new AI-powered applications. But it's not just about access. Ocean Protocol also emphasizes data privacy and security. Data providers can set their own terms and conditions for how their data is used, ensuring that they retain control over their valuable assets. The future of AI tokens. Proceed with caution. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of AI tokens. From decentralized rendering and AI agents to data marketplaces and cloud computing, these projects are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. But as with any emerging tech, it's important to tread carefully. While the potential is huge, AI tokens are still in their early stages, and there are risks involved. Volatility is a given in the crypto space, and some of these projects might not live up to their hype. That's why it's crucial to do your research, understand the technology, and assess the risks before investing. Don't just jump in because everyone else is. Look for real-world use cases, strong teams, and sustainable business models. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. AI tokens are more than just hype. Some have real technological value. However, like any emerging sector, they come with risks. Diversify, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is the future of finance and tech we're talking about, but let's navigate it smartly. As always, thanks for watching.